Hello guys, Rancho here and today we are playing Life is Strange। ये गेम काफ़ी अच्छा है और इस गेम को काफ़ी अवार्ड मिल चुके हैं। ऐसे बहुत कम गेम है जिसको गेम रिलीज़ होने से पहले स्टोरी बेस एंड रिव्यू बेसिस पे अवार्ड्स दिए गए हैं एंड क्लियरली ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट गेम होगा इस साल का। एक्चुअली एपिसोड 1 है, अभी तक एपिसोड 1 ही आया है मेरे पास। थैंक यू। सो लेट्स प्ले द गेम विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। Life is a strange story based on a game of which is play your choice. The consequences of all the game are excellent. Just okay, same as any Walking Dead Telltale series game. Okay, समझ गया। काफ़ी हद तक उसके जैसे ही है, वॉकिंग डेड के ग्राफिक्स के जैसे। टेलटेल गेम है मेरे ख्याल से, मुझे तो टेलटेल गेम ही लग रही है। इसमें हमें चॉइसेस करनी पड़ेंगी और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कुछ कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते प्लेयर्स को। एंड ये क्या हो रहा है यार? कम से कम अम्ब्रेला तो रखनी चाहिए थी इसको। विदाउट अम्ब्रेला ऐसे कैसे है? बारिश हो रही है। That's what happened.
I'm trapped in a storm? How did I get here? And where is here?
इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस एक साथ।
Wait, there's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there.
सोच रही है ये।
Please let me make it there.
So graphics are pretty good, not that good यार। ठीक है, सो हैं, पूरी कार्टूनिस्ट आर्टिस्टिक तरीके से दे रखे हैं। अल्ट्रा सेटिंग्स कर रखी है मैंने। मैक्सिमम ग्राफिक्स में ये सीन है इसका और मेरे पास FPS भी सही आ रही है, परफॉर्मेंस सही दे रहा है गेम। माउस कैमरा ओके। सो ये रहा वो लाइट हाउस। चलो इसके अंदर चलते हैं।
Holy shit.
टॉर्नेडो। इसकी आँख कितना बड़ा है। वाह, sexy सपना।
Film little pieces of time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class.
FPS थोड़ी ड्रॉप हुई है।
I am okay.
From light to shadow, from color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in
I
black and
didn't fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream. Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces, you feel like totally haunted by the eyes
Okay,
of those
कैसे
sad
करना है?
mothers and children.
She saw humanity as tortured, right?
अच्छा
And
समझा।
frankly,
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the class laughing at me now.
it's bullshit.
और क्या है?
Keep that to yourself.
Take a
Seriously
selfie.
though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of
Let me take a
desperation.
selfie.
And any one of you could do that to me. Shh. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
You ask me, I don't know.
You're asking me? Let me think.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process to give portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good,
पढ़ने
Victoria.
वाली.
The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them
Photo,
extremely popular
pencil.
from the 1800s
Let's
onward.
take this.
The first
क्या
to
If
ये?
anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
American daguerreotype self-portrait was done by
किसी काम
Robert
का नहीं है.
Cornelius. You can
Let's
find
take a
out
look.
Sorry, Max. No more selfies right now.
even online. Hey guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Okay, no more selfies. और सेल्फी नहीं लेंगे मैं. क्या कर रही है ये?
Victoria doesn't waste a second kissing ass.
Hi, Kate. Oh, hi, Max.
क्या? You seems quiet today.
You seem quiet today.
Just thinking too much.
I hear that. Wanna go grab a cup of tea and bitch about life?
Thanks, but not today. I have to go over homework.
No worries. Let's hang later.
Sure.
Okay, gotcha. Computer. Photoshop.
Looks like somebody was already working on this. Cool.
क्या बात है? बड़ा cleavage. इससे sorry मांगू?
I only want to share whatever gifts I have.
मांगू कि नहीं मांगू? मांग लेते हैं.
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Do I have to? I just don't think it's that big a deal.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. That's what separates the artist
Max
from
काफी
the
क्यूट
amateur.
है, ऐसी बात नहीं है. चलो लेक्चर बहुत सुन लिया, बाहर ही चल रहा है. टीवी दो.
How cute I looked yet.
I was about to. You always
Welcome
look
to the real world.
Cute.
hot.
Then I might send you a special picture.
Because Max wants everybody to see how hip she is.
Fat
She
so.
plays it so sharp.
कुछ
I
ज़्यादा
need a
मोटी नहीं है.
serious time out in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
Okay. So I think बाथरूम में खड़े होके तो आएगा नहीं हमारे
She's so
पास.
fucking shy.
Let's play the song, bro. Life is strange. So where's bathroom? I need to go to bathroom. Fucking bullies. Missing person.
It looks like she's been gone for months.
Okay, Rachel Amber. So sad. What's this?
Don't need a PC. Missed the Poetry Jam tryout, and I did not steal that backpack.
Back. Another missing poster. Same. उसी कल किया था. Now bathrooms. Straight ahead. Oh. I can control myself. Fast. Control नहीं हो रहा यार अब.
Empty. Good. Nobody can see my meltdown, except for me.
Okay, so I need to clean my face. ठंडा राहत मिल गई.
Just
क्या राहत मिली.
relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift.
यार गिफ्ट किस चीज़ का समझ नहीं आया.
Fuck it.
अरे
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, bro, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Okay, so let's take a photograph. और बहुत प्यारी फोटो खींची. वाह, मजे आ गए. What the hell? It's a girls' toilet.
It's cool, Nate. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you checked the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this, bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
No!
Fuck. ये बुरा हुआ, बहुत बुरा हुआ. The hell?
Whoa.
What
the fuck?
fuck?
How can that be? I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
What? These pieces of time can frame us in
I already heard this lecture.
from light to shadow, from color.
Now Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now,
Shit!
can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot believe this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way. Can I actually reverse time?
Victoria? Why Arbus?
What the fuck?
I did it. I actually did it.
यार ये power मेरे को
Perfectly
चाहिए.
captured the
Human
human
time
condition in black
machine.
and white. Anybody?
Now I will take a selfie और मुझे
Max,
पता है कि इसका आंसर
don't
क्या है.
freak out. Not yet.
Victoria?
When I took my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question. If he does again, I'll know this is for real.
Kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition.
अब मेरे को आंसर पता है, तो चुप रहियो please.
As a gift.
I know I'm not dreaming this. It's real. I can tell.
The early 1800s. Your generation.
So I can go back in time.
Selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead yet? Can I save her?
Portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for.
I need to go to the bathroom quickly and check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
बिल्कुल यार. I have to use a basket.
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody here? who
Shit.
knows there's-
Jefferson wants to keep me after class. And I need time to save that girl.
A process to give
क्या
portraits a
होगा?
sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the metro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind again and give him the right answer?
ओके आई विश मेरे पास पावर होती. सीरियसली बहुत प्यारा गेम है. और करना पड़ेगा. ओ आई थिंक वो पॉइंट दिखा रखा.
Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Yes, bitch.
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max. The Daguerrean process made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of everything.
Thank you guys.
Don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
Okay, so अब हम बाहर जाएंगे, लड़की को बचाएंगे.
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry.
Okay.
I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
I'm not avoiding, just...
Biding time, waiting for the elusive right moment.
Exactly.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
बड़ी बात बोल दी.
Don't let me stop you.
Thanks bro. मिलते हैं फिर. Yeah, press control.
I just really think Everyday Heroes is an important...
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have
मैं
faith.
टॉप मारता. चलो बचाते हैं उसे. अब कोई नहीं आया. Let's speed up.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please, please.
ओके गाइस, आज हम इतना ही खेलेंगे और काफ़ी अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा खेल के इस गेम को. टाइम कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं हम. सीरियसली इस गेम को गेम ऑफ द ईयर बनने के बहुत ज़्यादा चांस है अगर एपिसोड ऐसी पिकअप होता रहा तो. सो गाइस, अगर आपको आगे और देखना है कि आगे स्टोरी में क्या होता है और आपको अगर मेरा गेम प्ले पसंद आया तो यू कैन सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. इट्स रैंचो स्पेस गेमिंग. और मेरे ये स्टार्टिंग चैनल्स हैं अभी, तो इतने व्यूज़ नहीं है मेरे पास अभी. बट इफ़ यू गिव मी व्यूज़ देन डेफिनेटली ऐसा होगा. थैंक यू गाइस, सी यू लेटर.